Chandran, PGT Commerce, teaching class 11th and class 12th accountancy subject from Shakthi International School. So this presentation, I would like to solve one numerical question from the chapter Admission of the Partner. And the concept is valuation of goodwill, question number NCERT numerical question 17. So let's see the solution. First, let me read the question. Question number NCERT, question 17. So the question given here is, a business has earned average profits of rupees 10 lakh, rupees 1 lakh during the last few years. Find out the value of goodwill by capitalization method. Given that the assets of the business are 10 lakh and its external liabilities are 1,80,000. The normal rate of return is 10%. So the given data in the question is average profit given, capital we need to calculate because total asset as well as external liabilities given, the normal rate of return also given. Let's see the solution. So first we need to find out the capital employed by the firm. So for that the capital equal to, so capital, it is very simple. Capital means the total asset minus the outside liability or external liability. So here the total asset value is 10 lakh minus the total external liability is 1,80,000. So the net worth or net asset is the other name for capital. Net worth of the firm or net asset value of the firm is referred as capital. So that is 8,20,000. And the average profit is already given in the question, it is 1 lakh, and the normal rate of return is 10%, it is given. Now we have to find out the value of the goodwill according to the capitalization of average profit. First, we have to capitalize the average profit. For that, average profit divided by normal rate of return into 100%. If you substitute the data according to the formula, the capitalized value of average profit is 1 lakh divided by 10 into 100, that will be 10 lakh. So the concept of capitalization of average profit refers, if the normal return is 10 rupees, if you want to get the normal return 10 rupees, the capital provided is 100. So for 1 lakh return, what is the capital required? So if you substitute, the capital required for earning 1 lakh average profit is 10 lakh. So the goodwill will be capitalized value of the average profit minus the actual capital. So the capitalized average profit is calculated, it is 10 lakh, and the actual profit is 1,80,000. The goodwill equal to capitalized value of the firm 10 lakh minus actual capital 8,20,000 is 1,80,000 is the firm goodwill. So this is also one of the very simple questions for goodwill valuation.